west because it's only a half hour from here.
You hear us, Nick? I don't think he hears us.
Yeah, I hear you guys perfectly.
Get between us.
I'm not picking him up.
See what a big difference it is from the outside antenna to the portable?
I know, but there probably is one.
I mean, Andrew can tell because he can't even hear you up there.
I wonder if he can pick me up. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear Andrew.
Yeah, he says he's hearing you. There, now he'll hear you.
Are we all in?
Yep.
Don't see any posted signs.
No posted signs, so that's good. I ain't even have to put in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive yet.
Me neither. It's a little tight here.
Yeah, I see that. I dropped in the low.
I was thinking about it too. It's going now. 6 minutes before low. This must be a Ford Ranger trail.
Little step up from the Subaru. But there's a couple little trails cutting me all around here too.
Trail's getting a little cold. I think the trail was to my left, but I should be able to get through here. Gonna just make sure there's nothing that'll poke me.
Oh yeah, I gotta watch those freaking cedar trees, man. Isn't that right?
Yeah, I know.
Whoops. Those damn cedar trees. Well, there's a big rub on that tree right next to you, a big buck rub. Right to the right.
I see that.
What are we doing? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm not sure how people got there, if that's even a trail.
Well, I guess we can turn it around. You don't want to make a lot of work for nothing. Let me pull up to the right here. Alright, you can go. I see where the road goes right here. It goes right down right there. There's the end of that tree, but it keeps going if you want to cut the end of that tree off. I don't know, what do you think?
Not that big.
There's an ATV trail or something. Oh yeah, a big tree down here, bigger than what I want to cut up, so I guess we'll go that way. Yeah, I know it goes the other way, but I was looking down this way, there was like another trail. There's a pail over here and something else I'm going to get out and investigate. Alright, I'm back in. I'm going to turn around and head up.
Alright.
Definitely some more trails down here, but they look like more ATV, and they probably loop to where we were, for sure. Oh, did I lose the thing on my antenna?
Can't quite tell.
Oh, I found one of those masks, and I put it on the tip of my antenna.
I think you lost it.
I was trying to be cool.
You're dragging a stick, man.
Alright. I'll stop up here.
Out.
Oh, it's out now?
Yeah.
It was worth the trip over. At least we got to get in there a mile or two. I think that cedar tree would leave a mark if you caught that one.
Yep. Mine's probably loose again.
It might be. Not really springing. I think mine turns more than that. Maybe it's supposed to get like a good spin on it. We have to check it when we get down here.
Yours moves like crazy and his barely does.
Yeah, because this fell off.
Probably check it here. It's so funny to watch.
Here. Mine turns like, seems like a lot more than yours.
You can see how there's like metal in there that's supposed to...
Yeah, them notches are supposed to lock
Right.
to another knot. You feel how much mine turns to come off though? It's like a quarter turn. What is that in there? Is that a piece of metal? Oh, that's a stop. Oh, it's bent down. Something's bent on it. You know what I mean? That looks like it's a catch, and this looks like it's pushed down.
What do you think I should do? Just try and mash it down?
I'd push it up now. Like try to... Doesn't it look like that's up in the air?
No.
But this is the one. That's the one that's stopping it.
Yeah.
This is brand new in the package, right? I
Yeah.
wonder... Oh, it's going.
Just got fucking caught up again.
Maybe just jam it back flat. No, but it's like holding up. This is. And this is the one that it's supposed to go to. So if you like... It went all the way, feel it. It's tight though.
I like that. Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah, that one's actually tighter than mine now.
It's hard to get the leverage, but it went.
Yeah, it ain't going nowhere now.
Right.
Perfect. Switching back to high.
Yeah, I noticed that. I feel a lot better about that antenna now.
Oh, yeah, I would too.
Everyone's in?
I'm in.
Yep, just dropped it to low.
Me too, low and sway bars disconnected.
A lot of cedar down.
Oh yeah, tire punctures. Oh, you got a piece of cedar stuck in your back bumper here you might want to take out. It's a pretty good size one. Let's see it.
Might not be a long trail, but hopefully there's a good photo op.
Yeah, I see the river down there.
Looks like it'll be even shorter than it should be.
Ooh, there's some firewood there. A little bit much to be clearing, huh? Can you climb it?
Probably.
Oh man, that's a nice trout stream right there.
Almost looks like trails on the other side, but they're a little thin.
Alright, so that means we got to back all the way up?
Think so.
That's a big tree. We'd be here for a while clearing.
I thought there might have been a way to sneak around the right, but I don't think so.
Well, I was looking down the left if you could cross the river. But it looks like it would take even too much to get down there. It'd be nice to get in the river and go down a ways and cut back in. Alright, I guess we're backing out. Oh, Nick's already started. Everybody's backup cameras are on.
Yep, on my 3.5-inch cheap LCD. Hey, you guys are cheating. I did it legit.
You don't have one either. I only use it for reference. I still trust my mirrors better. Oh yeah, I didn't even use it. Oh yeah, that's right, I got automatic. Where to now?
McDonald's is our kind of place. It's such a happy place. Happy place. A clean and snappy place. McDonald's is our kind of place. It's such a happy place. McDonald's is our kind of place.
She's steep. Oh yeah.